Hello, friends, and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. We are going to tell you about the benefits of black sapote. Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos. If at all you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell the reason to dislike so that we can improve in our next videos. Let's proceed further. Black sapote. Originating from Mexico, black sapote fruit is called chocolate pudding fruit because of its color, taste, and texture it possesses. It contains tons of vitamin C and is getting known by many people because of its cultivation in more countries. It is a round shaped fruit. The ripe black sapote tastes like chocolate pudding, but the unripe is bitter and irritates the eater. Being cultivated in Australia, Florida, and the Philippines, the fruit grows optimally to its size in tropical and subtropical climates. Well drained soil placed under sunny areas is best for its cultivation. Benefits of black sapote. Vitamin C enrichment boosts energy and health. Vitamin C has miraculous benefits for skin and overall health, and black sapote is bursting with its vitamin. It helps not only in rejuvenating the skin but also in keeping the whole body, including the skin, hydrated. Ripe black sapote is delicious, sweet in taste, and gives an instant energy boost. It also helps in keeping the mood happy and mentally healthy. Also, it contains complex carbohydrates which provide enough energy to carry out physical activities efficiently. Strengthen immune system. Copious amounts of vitamin C in black sapote helps the body in fighting harmful foreign toxins and in keeping the body protected from potential diseases. Furthermore, it enhances the body metabolism. Antioxidant and anti-aging. Antioxidants rid the body of free radicals that come from pollutants, and black sapote is bursting with antioxidants. It is also very beneficial in stopping the growth of harmful cells inside the body. Alongside these benefits, intake of antioxidants accompanies a calming effect and pleasant mood, thereby making black sapote a fruit to be cherished. The high content of antioxidant helps in stimulating the levels of collagen, which further helps in the development of healthy texture of the skin. It also helps the skin look younger and release the mind from stress. Vitamin A enrichment ensures eye health. Vitamin A has long been credited with the development of new cells and in overall healthy cell growth. It is also considered to be very beneficial for the health of sight. Being enriched with vitamin A, black sapote is a great fruit that provides a natural supply of abundant vitamin A. Also, as a precautionary measure to keep oneself protected from sight and other eye related problems, black sapote is the chief source of vitamin A, thereby ensuring eye health and improved vision. Improves digestion, expiates constipation, and helps in weight loss. Great amounts of dietary fiber in black sapote enables better digestion and prevents the stomach and intestine related problems. Improvement in peristaltic and intestinal movements has been observed in frequent consumers of black sapote. The black sapote is bursting with dietary fibers, which act as a laxative and lessen the amount of acid inside the stomach. Therefore, when the digestion is improved, the problem of constipation gets minimized. It is additionally beneficial for the prevention of nausea and heartburn. The high content of dietary fiber in black sapote leads to better digestion and metabolism, and in turn assists in the weight loss. Because of its being rich source of vital nutrients, it provides the body all the necessary energy to function, while minimizing the harmful fats, cholesterol, and carbohydrates. Moreover, complex carbohydrates present in the fruit provide long term satiety, thereby decreasing the need for the consumption of any more food. Also, they take a good amount of time to digest, therefore, they keep the body feeling full for longer. Improves cardiovascular health. Because the cholesterol level is incredibly low, in fact, 0% to be exact, the blood circulation in artery walls take place optimally and efficiently. It incredibly lowers down the incidence of cardiac arrest and stroke. It is also responsible for enhancing the HDL levels and lowering the LDL levels in the blood. Mineral enriched. Essential minerals including calcium, potassium, iron, and phosphorus make a huge content in black sapote. Calcium enhances bone and teeth strength. Potassium plays a vital role in development of muscle, in decreasing the blood pressure, and in treatment of kidney-related issues. Phosphorus and iron prevent the blood clotting and in keeping the body healthy. The high content of calcium, iron, potassium, and phosphorus is very beneficial for providing strength to the bones. They enhance the mass density of the bone, thereby preventing bones from being easily fractured. People over the age of 30 should use black sapote for this particular quality, as it is common in this age group for bones to start becoming brittle. Kidney health. Potassium in the black sapote is highly beneficial for increasing the stimulation of kidneys. Also, it prevents the formation of stones in kidneys. The high content of minerals and antioxidants improve the overall functioning of the kidneys. Blood pressure maintenance. The many nutritional benefits of the fruit enable in lowering the blood pressure, thereby preventing hypertension. Especially potassium and iron help in maintaining healthy blood pressure. Hormone balancing. Due to the presence of many nutrients, black sapote helps to keep the nerves calm and lower down the level of stress and depression. Because of the elevated stress that mainly causes hormone imbalance, consumption of black sapote can prove to be beneficial in hormone regulation. Antibacterial. Because black sapote contains a lot of vitamin C, it prevents bacteria from developing and inhibiting in the mouth, thereby protecting it from bacteria-related disease. Vitamin C is useful in both preventing and eliminating the bacteria. Therefore, it is a strong remedy for all the bacteria-related diseases and problems. Vitamin C also helps the body resist and fight against many harmful viruses. Antibacterial characteristic of the black sapote fruit is also helpful in lowering down the inflammatory effect inside the body, such as the one caused by sore throat. To like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications.